I just got through using my 3D mascara. That's the first application there. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back with my Zen and put my Zen on. This Zen is fabulous, y'all. For $4.45, you can have this Zen mascara when you join my team. My FARMASi team is unbelievable. We have such a wonderful group of ladies that inspire, encourage, and lift each other up. We are having so much fun, and we would love for you to be on our team, honestly. It costs $20 to join my team, a one-time fee of $20, and that gets you your own website for free. There's no other fees. You do not have to sell if you don't want to, and you still get 50% off everything for life. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so this mascara here, this wand is longer on one end. The bristles are longer on one end. So I always look to see which one it is. And then I start building my lashes, the length with my lashes there. Because I like the long lashes, the long bristles to be able to build my lashes up. Y'all, this mascara lasts for so long and it works so well. I love a wispy eye. I love wispy eyelashes. So this Zen mascara, this wand, does that so nicely. Okay. And then if I'm having any issues, like I'm having a little issue right there in the corner, then I get my little handy dandy rake. My little handy dandy rake. Where is my? And I just rake through my lashes there. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. There's my eyeshadow. I can tell that my eyes are watering because of this fan, so hold on. There we go. That's better. All right, y'all. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go one more time with my eyeshadow or my mascara. I should leave well enough alone, but you know me. I think that's good now. All right, so we've got that. The only thing that's lacking now is my lipstick. My lipstick. All right, so I'm trying to decide what color, girlfriends. Trying to decide. I don't know if I want this one or if I want this one. No, I don't want that one. I think I'm going to, go with the 10 Sweet Cherry, I think. Sweet Cherry. That's the color I'm going to go with. Okay, so Sweet Cherry. Now, I might ombre this out. I'm not sure. And maybe I should have done a nude lip, since my eyes are so much. It might have been better to do a nude lip. But yeah, I'm feeling a little extra. So, now, these are non-transferable lipsticks, but if you put a whole bunch on it, it's not going to work as well. So you don't want a really, really thick application if you want zero transfer. If you would rather have the look and not worry about some of it coming off on your glass, then go for it. But if you're doing like an ombre look or whatever, you might have a little bit of transfer, but you're not going to have much. Okay. My eyes are just running. Hold on. Okay. I think we're good there. Let me get close to my lips. I think I may just leave them like that. What do y'all think? Let me get, my bottom line is not as good. Hold on. And on this lipstick, you really, really have to be careful because wherever you put it, that's where it is going to stay. So you want to, what I'm saying is you want to make sure your line is really good. If you're not able to catch me live today and you're watching this later on, please put hashtag replay down in the comments to let me know that you were here. I would really appreciate that. And y'all, when you join my team, this wonderful lipstick, this matte lipstick comes in so many different colors. But y'all, this matte lipstick is like $5 and something when you join my team. Let me show you all the colors. And I pretty much have just about all the colors. Okay, here's these colors. There we go. And we've got more colors. There we go. More colors. Here we go. Look at all these different colors. They're fantastic. You can mix and match them. You can ombre them out. I use most of these on my eyes too. So because when they go on, they don't go anywhere, right? I'm gonna keep this lipstick on just like that. You know, I'm not gonna mess with it. All right, so the inspiration that I took from today, let me put my jacket on. Let me do this whole look thing for you. Hold on. There we go. Let's put my jacket on. Let's get this jacket on. Hold on. I always get my watch hung in my jacket. Okay, so here's my look today. Here's my look. I can like button this up. I can leave it undone. There we go. Now, I also have like this really cute hat that I'm probably going to take some pictures with. So that's really cute. Do it on the side, whatever. Y'all probably see some pictures with me later with this. So that's kind of neat. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll try it. But usually what I do is kind of do my photo shoot afterwards. But this is kind of the look. Now let me show you what we are. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, computer. My computer timed out. Hold on. I wanted to show you the different with the eye that we were kind of trying to go for today. So, what do y'all think about this makeup? Did you see the before, like with my skin, how crazy my skin was before? Yes, it was crazy. I've been wiping my eyes, so I'm gonna kind of like go under my eye a little bit more there. Okay, so let's look here. I want to bring her back up. Hold on. Okay, so hers is a little different. Hold on. I want to try this real quick. Hers is a little different, and I want to get it as close as I can, y'all. It's driving me crazy. I'm such an OCD person that it's driving me nuts that it's not exactly the same. But it's close, y'all. It's pretty darn close. All right, pretty close. All right, see? Pretty close. What do y'all think? Am I close to it? There's hers. There's hers. And here's mine. Kind of close. Maybe. Let's do it this way. What do y'all think? Uh-oh. Can't really do it that way. All right, so I think, rate me from a scale from 1 to 10. If I'm kind of 10 being like you nailed it, 1 being like, sister, you need some more practice. 5 being, you know, whatever. So rate me. Go ahead. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do it for fun. So my eyes are going to water. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and do my Time Locker spray again, which will be good for your lips too. Don't leave out your lips. And let this all dry. And that'll help your makeup stay on longer. Yes, it will. I promise. It will, it will. I forget to do that a lot of the times. Okay. So, I hope you learned something about the CC cream, honestly, because I didn't know all of that stuff, y'all. It has so many wonderful properties about it, and that's why it's just so good on your face. It's so awesome. All right, well, I'm going to let you go. Have a wonderful day. I love you guys, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.